Hi students, all of you, welcome to the class. In the previous class we discussed about the unit cell dimension and its problems. Okay. Today we going to discuss about imperfection in solids. Okay. The means of solids. What it means what? The atoms. I mean to say what? Constituent particles such as ions, atoms or molecules arrange regular shape of structures. Already know it. For I take an example to you. This is one of the lattice. Okay. In this lattice, how they are solids arranged. This is perfectly regular type of structures. Okay. Regular means what? The atoms is close to each other. Look like regular atoms. ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ close to each other. Okay, this is called what? Perfection. Either we call it as perfect solids. But what about imperfection? Yes, see here. What I am doing here in this structure, one of the atom, either even molecule or ions, is what? Removed. What we did here? One of the atom is removed, either deleted. This is called what? Imperfection. This is look like perfection? No, this is imperfect because of loss of ions or atoms or particles. Okay students, this is what? Imperfection. This is not a regular type of structure. Okay, what about the definition of imperfection? Definition of imperfection means imperfection is called what? Deviation or irregularities. Irregularities. Either we call departure. Okay. So now going to the definition about the imperfection. Imperfection means in which deviation or irregularities of perfectly arranged, perfectly ordered, arranged of constituent particle constituent particles means ions, atoms or molecules. Constituent particles deviations or irregularities of perfectly ordered arranged of constituent particles in crystal lattice. This is called imperfection. Students, this is the definition. Deviations, first into this is what? Perfection. One of the sum of the atoms are removed. Whatever, that will be what? Imperfection. This is called deviations or irregularities of perfectly crystal, ordered crystals of constituent particles. Perfectly crystal ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ deviations ಆದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Crystal lattice. This is called what? Imperfection in solids. Okay students, so then in this imperfection we have to be how there are forms. The imperfection ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Yes, this is due to the presence of heat. Okay, due to the presence of heat. ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Heat. First point was how they are occurs. So absorbed heat by the particles from surrounding. Surrounding ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ heat ಅನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? The atoms were variations which decrease ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Heat absorptions to get a imperfection in a crystal lattice. First point. Then second point, this is a fast rate. Fast rate of reactions. Okay. They occurs, how they occurs imperfection in the solids? They can solids due to the form of fast rate of reaction, either moderate rate of reaction, they get what? Reactions. If this fast rate of reactions form themselves, then what they affect? Because of doesn't have a time of sufficient to get a forming of crystal perfectly. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗತಕ್ಕಂತ ಟೈಮ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is due to the fast rate, they become not getting sufficient time to get perfect solids. Okay, it's a two due to the presence of effect, they get imperfections. Okay, students, this is about the imperfection in solids. Either we call it as defects in solids. Okay, so now in this imperfection of solids, they can two types we can observe. First was line defect, and second one was point defect. Friends, let me know about what's the meaning of line defects and what's the meaning of point defects. Okay, definition of line defect. Okay, take one of the crystals. In these crystals, these are all called what? Rows, and this is called what? Columns. Okay, so line defect, the deviations are irregularities of ideal arrangement or particles arranged in the entire row in a lattice point. Okay, deviations in an ideal arrangement, either we call it as perfectly ordered arrangement in an entire row. Okay, this is a crystal, this is an entire row, this is an entire row. The entire row become what? Deviation. And the entire row deviations now we can observe. Okay, this is called what? Okay, line defect means deviations or irregularities of ideal arrangement in entire row. Okay, the row become entire row. This is the lattice points. The lattice points currently entire row in a change. This is called what? Line defects. Okay, so next to point defects. What's the meaning of point defect? Say deviations or irregularities of ideal arrangement around a point or an atom in a crystal lattice for crystal lattice side for crystal points. Okay, students, let's examine what point defects. Point defects means what? This is one of the point effect. See here, point effect means the deviations or irregularities which they have occurs in a around a point or atoms, even molecules also. A point ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಗೈನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇದನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ a point ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, you can observe that this is called what? In a crystal lattice, this is means point defects. Okay, students, clear? This is about imperfection in solids. They have types line defects and point defects. Next we go into the point defect, some different types of point defects. Okay, students, this the next one is point defects. Point defects. Already know that deviations are irregularities in a ideal arrangement around a point or an atom. It is called what? Point defect. Observe 3 point defects. We can observe 3 different types. First one, stoichiometric defect, and second one, non-stoichiometric defect, and third one, impurity defects. Okay, stoichiometric, non-stoichiometric, and impurity defects. Okay, in that stoichiometric, further we can see the 4 types. Which are those 4 types? In a stoichiometric, vacancy defect, and second one is interstitial defect, third one is Schottky defect. This is pronunciation Schottky, Schottky or Schottky defects. And fourth one is Frankel defects. Okay, so in the non-stoichiometric defects also classified, we can observe 2 types. Which are those 2 types? Metal excess defect and metal deficiency defects. Okay, students, next one, third one is impurity defects. Today we are going to deal about the stoichiometric defects. Okay, this is important for the examinations. These 2 were called as involved in non-ionic solids, and these 2 are ionic solids. They are involved in ionic solids. This is to the non-ionic solids. Non-ionic solids means they may be atoms or molecules are present in these 2 effects. Now, ionic means ion, they are form of ions. For example, we take an AB molecules. AB, one of the molecules in heterolytic cleavage to forming A and B minus. What's the meaning of this? Is called what? Cations. This is called anions. Okay, for example, you take an NaCl, heterolytic cleavage, Na plus and Cl minus. This is what? Ionic solids. Ionic solids are present in these 2, Schottky and Frankel defects. Okay, students, let me go for the detail about the stoichiometric defects. Okay, students, what's the meaning of stoichiometric defects? Stoichiometric means do not disturb the stoichiometry. the solids. Okay, stoichiometry is represent what? In which do not disturb the stoichiometry. That make what? In ion is having a positive ions and negative ions, cations, anions. Do not vary the ratio. This is a Na and Cl. Either we call it as another any type of ions. You take on that ions molecules that make ions. Do not vary the ions. Cations ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತಿದೆಯೋ anions ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. That is called what? Do not vary the ratio. Ratio ಗಳು change ಆಗಲ್ಲ. This is called what? Stoichiometric defects. Do not disturb the stoichiometric. Okay. In this stoichiometric, the ratio will be same ratio of compounds between ionic solids. Okay. In this stoichiometry, we can know this 4 different types. In that 4, we know about one by one. This is the first one. What? The point defects. The first one is vacancy defects, and second one is interstitial defect. Okay, so let me know one by one. These two are involving only what? First point, it is non-ionic solids. Non-ionic solids means they have not ions. Either you take atoms or molecules. You take atoms or molecules. Okay? Not ions. The first point, we go into the, see here, in the vacancy defects, what's the meaning of vacancy defect? This terms is said what? Vacant. How they are vacant will be formed? Imperfection means already know that the regular structure will be the defected. This means vacancy defect. See here, you take one of the crystal. This crystal is the molecules are arranged or atoms in the form of regular patterns. Okay? In that regular pattern, see students, what I am doing here, one of the atom is replaced, one of the atom is missing. Either one of the atom is deleted. They make a what? The form of vacant. In vacant form of the yes. The definition, when some of the lattice, it's called what? Lattice. Lattice points or lattice sites. Lattice points are vacant. Vacant form of the vacant. I generally represent showing only one vacant. Either we have to be missing so many, one or more atoms or molecules are missing to get a forming of vacancy defects. I generally show you only one vacants. Okay, when some of the lattice points are vacant, such that of vacants, that is we called as vacancy defects. Okay, is said to be vacancy defect. Okay, students. Okay, now going to the interstitial defects. What is the meaning of interstitial defect? Yes, same thing. You take this is what? Perfectly crystal solid. This is a perfectly crystal. All the atoms are present. How they are forming imperfection in the interstitial. Interstitial means, first thing you did know that interstitial meaning the between the, you have to be observing the voids, space irutte voids anta karitheve. So interstitial means in a 4 atoms between the space, either we have the space we call it as interstitial sites. Okay, so here we going to know that in that interstitial sites having another atoms or molecules is located. Okay, ಈಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಈ interstitial sites in this interstitial sites is presents one more some of the atoms. Okay, this is called what? Interstitial defects. Interstitial defect ಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಟಮ್ ಬಂದು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಇಂಟರ್ಸ್ಟಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್? See here, some of the constituent particles and such atoms but not ions, because of these are the non-ionic solids. So constituent particles such as atoms or molecules occupy any, not only this interstitial site, anywhere in the crystal of any position, either any interstitial site is called, such type of crystals we called as interstitial defects. Clear, students? We are now going to the density. What's the meaning of density? Density means what? This is represented by rho, either we call as D. So density means mass by volume, right? This means what? Density is directly proportional to the mass. Okay, students, what is the density is in the vacancy defect? How they are formed, how they are hacked? What's here? This is the vacant. I mean to say what? The crystals imperfection involving to get a forming of vacants. Vacant appear ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು vacant ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು? Loss of some of the atoms. So loss ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the mass will be what? ಅದು ಕೂಡ loss ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ತಾನೆ. So mass goes on decreases, they make what? Density is decreases in the vacancy defect. Okay, vacancy defect is density decreases. Okay, next we want to go for interstitial sites. Interstitial site, what they have? The interstitial sites having a further more number of atoms is present. They make what? Mass goes on increases. Mass will be increases. They make what? Density. This is very important. Density is increases in the interstitial defects. This is a very important point. Density is increases in the interstitial defect because of presence of atoms in the interstitial position. This is losses due to the vacant formation. They make the densities goes on decreases. Okay, students, video clear? Okay. Now we're going to the next two defects of Schottky and Frenkel. Those two are very, very important for the final examination. Schottky and Frenkel. Next one. Schottky defect and Frenkel defects. Schottky defect and the Frenkel defects. So here is very important point. They have involved both in the ionic solids. Okay. First point is both were in the presence of ionic solids. Okay, ionic solids such as taken one of the example in your Schottky defect. So this is what? Take an example of NaCl. So Na plus and Cl minus. Na plus means cation and Cl minus means anion. So plus and minus. This is a plus and this is minus. Okay. So here Na plus Cl minus Na plus ion, Cl minus ion. Next, Na plus means Cl minus ion and Na plus and Cl minus and Na plus. Okay, what they indicate is plus. Plus means what? Na. Okay, minus means Cl. You can understand. So plus and minus and minus and plus and minus and plus. Okay. See students, this is a perfect solid crystals. Okay. In these perfect crystal solids, an ionic solid, ions such as plus and minus ions are arranged in a perfect solid crystals. But what's the meaning of imperfection in the imperfection in a solids by Schottky defect? Schottky defect means, see here, what I am doing, see here students, one of the cation and one of the anions. Okay, see here, one of the cations and one of the anions are missing or deleted. It may Schottky defect or Schottky defect. So what I did here, the equal number of cations and anions are missing. Okay, so into the definition, in which equal number of cation and anions are missing in a normal lattice site the normal lattice sites of crystal lattice. Either be called as in which equal number of cations and anions are missing of crystal lattice. Missing of crystal lattice. This is called what? Schottky defect. Okay, so we going to Frankel defects. What's the meaning of Frankel defect? Yes. So here taken one of the example of ZnO means what? Zn plus 2 ion and oxygen minus 2 ion. This is what? Cation and this is anions. Okay. So here the cations Zn plus 2, anions like O2 minus. This is plus, this is minus. This is minus, this is plus, this is minus, this is plus, cation. This is the cation, anion, cation, anions. Okay. So, in that, having, okay students, ions, these are the ions, in which the definition is smaller, in which smaller ion, the cations or anions, which one is the smaller ions? The cations are the smaller ions. This is what? Cations. Smaller ions are missing in their normal site and they occupy the interstitial site. This is called Frankel. Okay, this is very important for examination. See students, the cations which are here and here, these are the cations. These cations are missing in which smaller ions. Smaller ions like cations are missing in their normal site. Normal site in the side there, and they occupy the interstitial site. Any of the interstitial site. So this is an interstitial site is occupied. This is called Frankel defect. Okay, also called what? Dislocated defect. Because, see students, first thing you have to be observed in this, smaller ions missing. Missing means what? This is what? In the both of vacancy. First point is missing. Missing means what? Vacancy defect is appear. Okay. Then they can occupy interstitial point. Interstitial, they can occupy what they called in the last two. This is called what? Interstitial site. Interstitial defects. So both were vacancy defect and interstitial defects presence in where? Frankel defects presence. This is called what? Dislocated defects. Also called what? Dislocated defect. This is very important. Okay. So next we go into the density. What's the behind of density? Density is increases or decreases? Students, in the case of Schottky defect, first we have to observe perfectly crystal, but after Schottky defect, they can involving the same number, or same ratio, equal ratio number of cations or anions missing. The missing original mass is completely goes on decreases. Allittakanta original mass to ಈ cations ಮತ್ತೆ anions miss ಆದಾಗ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, absolutely we can goes on decreases. That make what? Density absolutely decreases. Density is decrease. Okay. What about in the case of Frankel defect? Frankel defects, it is cation presence in the interstitial point. Any changes in the mass of the Frankel defect? Any changes? 1, 2, first we have to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 atom is present. After Frankel defect to get remains 50. And say what? The position will be changed. That make what? This is the Frankel defect. The density is remain same. There is no change. Either no change. Okay. The density should be same. Okay. This is a Frankel defect. Okay. So here the equal number of cations and anions are missing. Equal number of cations and anions are missing. That make what? This similar size. Yes. The similar cations and anions miss ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ same size ಅಂದ್ರೆ they can easily missing. Okay, easily miss ಆಗ್ತದೆ. But ಒಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ they can not possible. So it's the case of Schottky. The similar size of cation and anions are present. Okay. So come to the Frankel. Frankel, what they said? Cations means this is a smaller size. Anions means is a larger size. The size will be goes on difference. This is large difference in the size of ions. Ions are the large difference in a size. Okay. The similar size of cation and anion in the presence, they have eye coordination. Eye coordination number is presence. This is less coordination number. Coordination number means what? The nearest neighboring atoms. Okay. This is a very important differences. And also definition and also difference. But what are the examples of this one? This is the examples are Schottky defect is NaCl, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, either silver, bromide, and potassium bromide. Okay. So what about Frankel defect? Examples of Frankel is say ZNO, ZNS and AG, Bihar. Okay. Then AgCl, etc. Okay, students. One more point you can observe in the Schottky defect and the Frankel defect, CR and AgBr, silver bromide, both were present in the Schottky and Frankel. This is one of the important point. The AgBr is involving to get both the type of imperfections, giving a two type of defects appear in the only the AgBr. Okay, it's very important. Okay, and note down these important differences. Either taken a screenshot. Okay, so this is very important for an examination, compulsory asking in your final exams. See the students, this is one of the difference shot and note down. Okay, thank you.